Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube Music using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now search for song you want to add to a playlist. You can use the search bar at the top. Find any track you like. Once you find the song, tap the three dots next to it. In the menu that appears, select Add to Playlist or Save to Playlist. If you don't have a playlist yet, tap New Playlist. Give your playlist a name like Workout Song or Chill Vibes and set the privacy to public, unlisted or private. Tap Create and your playlist is ready. The song you selected will automatically be added to it. And that's it. Making playlist on YouTube Music is easy and fun, and it helps you keep all your favorite songs organized in one place. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.